Okay, welcome to Calculus Homework. This is page 145, implicit differentiation, problem number 1. And today we have in our studio Mr. Aaron with us also. Say hey, Aaron.
Hey guys.
All right, so we are ready to start it. We want to differentiate this one, and me and Mr. Aaron will explain it all for you. First step is we take our derivative, which would be 2x. And since this is implicit, that's 2y derivative. Derivative of 9 is 0. And of course, we're solving for the derivatives, so we want the derivative of y derivative. So we're going to subtract 2x from both sides. Put everything, all your expressions with derivative on one side, the expressions that don't have derivative on the other. Solve for y derivative. And so we get y derivative equal to negative x over y. Okay. Number 3. The question is x to the half plus y to the half equal to 6. So our derivative, so it's going to be a half x to the negative half. All right. Plus half y to the negative half equal to 0, or y derivative. Anytime we're doing implicit, we have to put y derivative after the y expression. So that's going to give us half x to the negative half. I might as well go ahead and subtract that from both sides. So I'm going to erase this and just subtract it. So half y negative half y derivative equal to all this stuff. And we are solving for y derivative. So I'm going to divide this, both sides, by half y negative half. That's going to all cancel. That negative halves, see, that's a positive half. So we've got negative half divided by positive half. That's negative 1. I notice I'm going to have x to the negative half. I can go ahead and move that down to the bottom. Let's write it as square root of x. I can move this to the top. So our answer is going to be negative square root y over square root x. And let's do 5. We have x to the third minus x y plus y squared equals 7. So doing our derivatives, that'd be 3x squared. You've got a product here, so you're going to need product rule, which is first times derivative of the second plus second times derivative of the first plus 2y derivative equal to 0. Now we'll distribute that negative. Alright, and everything that does not have a y derivative, we're going to move over to the other side. So we're going to add y to both sides and subtract 3x squared. So it's going to give us negative xy derivative plus 2y derivative equal to all that good stuff. We have y derivative in common here. And divide by all that. So we're going to go ahead and rewrite this maybe with the front stuff all positive. And I am checking. And that is the answer that they had. Okay, number 7. It starts out with a product, x third, y third, minus y equal to x. We've got a product here, so we're going to do product rule first times derivative of the second plus second times derivative of the first minus the derivative y, and the derivative of x is 1. So this is going to give us 3x third y squared y derivative. 3x squared y third minus y derivative equal to 1. Everything that does not have a y derivative, we're going to move over to the other side. So 3x squared y derivative minus y derivative is equal to all this. These have y derivative in common. And then y derivative times negative 1 would give us y derivative. Divide. So y derivative will equal to all of this. And let's do number 9. Actually, my slate has died, so I'm going to have to charge the battery. So we'll stop the program right here. Thank you for watching. That was page 145, numbers 1, 3, 5, and 7. Stay tuned for number 9.